With the coronavirus pandemic raging across the world, all eyes have been on the hunt for an effective vaccine. But how do vaccines work? And what have ferrets got to do with it? Many human diseases, like COVID-19, are caused by tiny particles called viruses. And by tiny, we mean really, really tiny, much smaller than a human cell. A lot of viruses have spikes on the outside made of protein. The protein spikes help the virus to attach to a cell and eventually break into the cell where it can do the real damage. This is what makes us ill. Luckily, when a virus manages to get into our bodies, we aren't left defenseless. Special cells circulate in the bloodstream and hunt down viruses and other things that can make us ill. There are 3 kinds of cells in particular that protect us from viruses. These are phagocytes, which can attack viruses and destroy them. The name actually means cell eater. T cells, which are like guards, patrolling the body looking for diseases and firing up the immune system. And B cells, which make protective antibodies. When a phagocyte engulfs a virus, it breaks it into bits, but it doesn't throw away all of the pieces. It keeps the protein spikes and shows them to the B cells. The B cells begin to make antibodies. Antibodies are special chemicals that attach to the spikes of a particular virus and stop it from working. Once B cells have made antibodies, they usually remember the particular viral spike protein for a long time. So, if the virus reappears, they can attack it straight away before it can hurt you. This is called immunity. Vaccines work by teaching your body to make antibodies without having to meet the actual virus. So, scientists take the virus, or one very much like it, and remove the parts that do damage, which is usually the genetic material. What is left is something that can't hurt you, but can still trigger your body's immune response. Well, that's the idea anyway. But tampering with the immune system is always risky. And that's where ferrets come in. New vaccines have to be tested on something that has an immune system to see if it's likely to work and be safe. Ferrets are very useful for studying flu-like viruses because they catch colds like humans and have similar symptoms. But many other animals are also essential in the hunt for new vaccines, especially the laboratory mouse, which is the most commonly used animal in science by far. Growing viruses outside of bodies is very hard. They don't last very long. So, fertilized chicken eggs are often used, which is another essential part played by animals in vaccine research. In countries all over the world, animal studies are an essential part of the search for new vaccines for coronavirus and other conditions. This benefits people and animals everywhere.